So SomaDetect is an agricultural technology company, and we have developed a sensor for inline monitoring of milk quality and animal health. So we work on dairy farms. On a dairy farm, you have individual cows that are giving a relatively small quantity of milk that then is put into bulk tanks fairly quickly. And of course, many, much larger quantities of milk. And through that mixing process, they do that without actually knowing a lot about the quality of the milk that they're mixing in with a larger amount. And, different cows, some like humans, they deal with different things. They have different quality levels in their milk. They might have diseases one day and so forth. So we help identify issues with some of the milk. We help with things like monitoring pregnancy, which is a really big part of managing a dairy farm, and overall ensuring that the herd is sort of healthy and producing the highest quality milk possible. I think something I've gotten to learn through this job is actually just how, to build a team and then to be able to trust that team fully in what they're doing and so forth has been a really big, part of what we're doing. And there's so much risk involved in a startup. We talk about them as like high risk scenarios and stuff, but it's not only the entrepreneur that takes that risk. Every single member of the team sort of shares in that risk in different ways and from a day-to-day basis in terms of what they're doing. And so trusting the team and trusting everyone's ability to overcome some of the risk factors and really tackle them head on, I think is a really a beautiful lesson actually of startups, a really wonderful thing to experience. I think that, there's a lot of co-working spaces out there. And of course, it's the people that are running them that really make the difference. Building a community is not an easy thing. And building a community for entrepreneurs is not always the easiest either, because they're incredibly busy folk with lots that are each kind of in their own industries, right? Other than the fact that they've all started companies or it's people working in early stage businesses, there isn't actually that many more things that they have in common. But I think Volta's done a good job of really setting up, ensuring that there's kind of learning opportunities available for the things that are common between those. And we really enormously appreciate the different sort of advisors we've met and the leaders of the organization. If all goes as well, we have some exciting things. We're going to be getting on more and more farms, and then hopefully doing another fundraise in the next little bit as well.